Hey, hi everyone, welcome all of you. So this is the session number 14 in Maven series, and today we are going to see a very small concept, but very important for your framework in your actual framework, and it will help you in the interviews as well. So today we will see how we can deal with the multiple XML files in the framework. If you have a multiple XML files, how can you run in a single flow, or how can you run that in parallel? Okay, so in our framework there can be multiple test cases. Okay, 500,000 test cases. So all these multiple test cases, we devise and we categorize them into different XML files. We create different XML files, and depending upon the area that you need to test, we add those test cases into separate XML files. Okay, so you can have multiple XML files. So for example, you can have sanity.xml, right? So you can have smoke.xml file. So sanity test cases will be available or will be added in this sanity xml file. Then whatever smoke test cases are there to perform smoke testing, that will be available in the smoke xml file. Then you have regression xml, right? So there can be multiple hundreds to 100 test cases in the regression xml file that will go and cover most of the functionalities of the application as a part of regression. Okay, and there can be multiple, like say coverage xml file, that will go and deeply test any feature or functionality added. So there can be multiple xml files depending upon your project, depending upon the company, right? So whatever sanity test cases are there, that will be available in the sanity xml. Then smoke xml will contain the smoke test case. Then regression test cases are available in the regression xml, and then coverage xml will contain the feature test cases, or the test case that will go and deeply test any feature functionality of the application. So normally, how can you run these xml files? And we have already covered this in the Maven series in the previous videos. How can you run the xml files with the help of pom.xml? Okay, or you can use the testng framework also. So you can directly run this xml file, right click on that xml file and run as testng suite. So whatever test cases added in this particular xml file, that will run. Okay, so to understand this concept, okay, running xml files, multiple xml files simultaneously, we will go stepwise. So I am considering people watching this video are at beginner level. So what you have to do, you will have to create a Maven project. Then after creating the Maven project, you need to add Surefire plugin, okay, which will be useful in running your test cases. Okay, so add this Surefire plugin in the pom.xml file. Then we will add some sample packages, some sample test cases, right? And then we will create 3 testng xml files. We will create regression or sanity and coverage xml. Okay, and we will add some test cases in that, and then we will see how can you run these xml files. So that can be a single testng xml file or multiple testng xml file simultaneously or in parallel mode. So let me go and create this project. So creating Maven project is very easy. Go to file, go to new, then go to project, select Maven project from here, then select this checkbox, select next. So here you need to provide the group id and artifact id. So I will say run multiple xmls, okay, and same name I will give here. Okay, and click on finish. So this is our project, run multiple xmls. So what we have to do, first we will add Surefire plugin in this and some dependencies. So mostly we will require testng dependency for demonstration purpose. Okay, I am not going to run actual Selenium test cases. Okay, I will only show you how can you run the test cases from the xmls, okay, multiple xml files parallel and simultaneously. So for that purpose, first thing we will have to add the plugin. So let me copy it from any other project. So under build tag you need to add the plugins, and under dependencies tag you need to add the dependencies. So this is sufficient for us as of now. Surefire plugin and testng dependency. So now let me create few sample test cases, and then we will add into the different xml files. Okay, so I have created some sample test cases, test 1, test 2, test 3 under package 1. and in package 2 I have created only one test case. So in your actual framework you can have multiple test cases. So here we will only print some sample statement in the console. So if you run the sanity, this will be printed, sanity test case 1, test case 2. For regression we will print a statement like this, and for coverage automation or coverage suit XML, when we run the test case, this will be printed. So what we have to do now is we need to create the 3 multiple XML files, right? So whatever sanity test cases are there can be 20, 30. Okay, as per your project requirement, we can have multiple XML. So let's say sanity XML contains, for example, 30 test cases. Then we have not created, okay, we have created the regression may contain more, like 100 test cases. Okay, there can be multiple 500, 600. So coverage can also have, let's say, 150 test case, just for example. Okay, so guys, I have created 3 XML files and I have kept them in this XML files folder. So you have sanity XML, regression XML, and coverage XML. So you can have multiple test cases under each this suit XML files. So as an example, let's say we have 30 sanity test cases, then 100 test cases as a part of regression, and 150 test cases as a part of coverage XML. So let's say first I will run my sanity .xml once I get the build. Okay, so this 30 test cases, sanity test case, let's say took 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes I got the result. Then after 20 minutes I will go and start executing this regression.xml file. Okay, so let's say it takes around 1.5 hours. Then again I monitor that result. After completing 1.5 hours I got the result, and again I will go there and run this 150 coverage XML files. Okay, then let's say this will take around let's say 2 to 2.5 hours. Okay, so what I'm doing here is every time I'm going into my framework, I'm running the separate XML files. I am monitoring it. Okay, continuously I'm monitoring it. Once it is done, I am running other XML files. Okay, so once sanity is done, then I will run regression. So once regression is done, and then I will run coverage. So there can be multiple XML files. Once coverage is done, then you can run any other XML files. So what is my scenario is I don't want to monitor this test case execution. Okay, what I want, once I start executing the sanity.xml file, let's say first I started this XML. So after executing all the test cases from the sanity.xml, our framework should directly start executing this regression.xml file. So whatever test cases available in the regression.xml, doesn't matter how much time it will take. It can take 1.5, 2 hours or 3 hours. So after 3 hours, once I get the result, coverage suit XML file execution should start, okay, automatically. So I don't want to monitor this execution and run these XML files one after another. So this will take my time. So in my project, in my framework, what I want, execution for this all the multiple XML files should start automatically. Okay, once I started executing first XML file, then other XML files execution should start automatically. I don't need to monitor it. So how will you do it? That is our scenario. So let's see how can you do that. So what you can do, we have multiple XML files, right? So currently we have 3 XML file. So let me create one more test.ng XML file here. So connect to test.ng and done. So in this test.ng, what you have to do is you can remove this test that we don't require. Okay. So first thing you need to add suit files. So under suit files, you can add suit XML. So suit file, and you need to provide the path of that suit file. So what is the path? So suit file. So my first file is under XML's folder, and that is sanity.xml. Okay, so this file I want should run at the first place. So I will give XML. So you need to give fully qualified name here. So XML's slash sanity.xml and save it. So I will copy this. Can have 3 entries here. Okay, so after sanity I want regression suite XML should run regression. Okay, and after regression coverage suite XML file should start. So here coverage.xml and save it. So let me rename this file as I will rename it, let's say automation.xml, and here also I will provide name automation, so it can have any name here. Okay, so what it will do, it will first run sanity XML file. So whatever test cases available in the sanity, it will run. After complete execution all the test cases from the sanity.xml, it will start executing test cases from the regression.xml file automatically. Okay, you don't require to run it separately. Then once it is done, then it will start executing coverage.xml file. Okay, got it. So what you can do, you can directly right click on this XML file and you can run it. Okay, so I hope you know how can we run the test ng XML file. You just have to right click on the XML, run as test ng suite. Okay, so execution is done. So if you go to the result, you can see the sanity test. Okay, 2 test cases. After then we have run the regression suite. After regression suite we have run the coverage suite. So executing all these multiple files is done automatically, right, one after another. Okay, so same we will run through our maven project. Okay, so if you want to run all these XML files through the maven project, what you can do in pom.xml file, you just have to provide the suite XML file that you want to run. So now we want to run this automation.xml, right? So this automation.xml contains multiple XML files that need to be run. Okay, so you can add any number of XML files and that will run one after another according to the order you have added, right? So currently we have 3, you can have 5, 6, 7 XML files. So depending upon the order you have added here, the test cases execution will start automatically. So if we go here pom.xml file, I have provided the automation.xml file. Okay, so how will you run the maven project? You just have to, let me save this first. So right click on your project. Okay, run as you can click on this maven test. Okay, so actually it will go and run this automation.xml file, and automation.xml file it contains 3 XML files. Okay, so in console if you see sanity test cases got run, okay, at the first place. Then after completing sanity, it has started the regression test cases, and automatically after that it has started the coverage suite XML test cases. So this is my requirement. I want to run all these multiple XML files one after another automatically. Okay, so this is how we can we have seen how can we run the multiple XML files in a single run all simultaneously, right? So we will see how can we run these multiple XML files in a single run but in parallel mode. Okay, so all these test case execution should start at the same time. So if you are running multiple test cases on the multiple browser, let's say Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, so I want execution for all these multiple XML files, okay, should start simultaneously, and it should start in parallel mode. So what you can do here for to run in parallel mode, what you have to do, under the configuration we have provided that suite XML files, and after that you need to provide some properties here. So I will add properties. Under properties you need to add property tag. Okay, and you need to provide name and value of the property. So first we will provide name. So my name of the property is suite thread pool size, and you need to provide the value now. So value, and you can provide value 2 or 3. So by doing this, by adding this property, what will happen, whatever test case you are running as a part of this automation.xml file will start executing in parallel mode. So we have added multiple XML files under this automation.xml. Okay, so that's why all the multiple XML files execution will start in parallel mode. So let's say you have created, so currently we have just printing the statement. So in your actual project you can open the Chrome browser or Firefox or Microsoft Edge browser. Okay, so for practice purpose you can try your own, create the maven project, add some sample test cases. Some test case should open the Chrome browser, some will open the Firefox, and some will open the Microsoft Edge. Okay, and or add all these test cases under these multiple XML files. Okay, and whatever configuration we have done here for this surefire plugin, okay, the same you can do here and run that pom.xml file. Okay, so this should open all the three browsers in parallel mode, okay, simultaneously. So you can try your own and let me know if you face any issue in that. So this is the configuration you need to do for the parallel mode execution. So if we run this, you won't be able to see the difference. Okay, so as we are not opening the actual browsers, still we will go and run it. So you can see test cases has started in parallel mode. That's why this order is not constant. So in previously when we run our first sanity test cases got run, then after that regression test cases, and after that coverage suit XML test cases. So as we have added this property suit thread pool size equal to 3, so our XML files, multiple XML files execution started in parallel mode. So we have seen all these things to run multiple XML files in a single run, okay, simultaneously or in parallel mode. So what we have done here is, let me copy these things here. So let me copy this. So to do this, what we have to do, create XML file and add below statement. Okay, so this thing we need to add suit files and whatever XML files path. Okay, so provide the full qualified path. Okay, so if you added your XMLs under some XML folders, then you need to provide that folder name also here, and you need to create this XML file, add these things here, and provide XML file name in pom.xml. Okay, you need to provide the file name in the pom.xml file. So here you need to provide it is to provide that here under configuration suit XML files and then this thing. Okay, so like this you need to provide the this test.ng XML file under this pom.xml file. And how to run in parallel mode, what we added, you need to do the same setting, only one more thing or one more property you need to add under the properties tag. So let me copy from here itself. Okay, so from the plugin under build, copy this and add it here. So this is how we have run the multiple XML files in parallel mode or in single run, one after another automatically. So one more change, a slight change I can show you. What we have done is, in first step we have added multiple XML files that we want to run in this automation XML file. Okay, so instead of that you can directly run from this pom.xml also. So instead of this, what I will do, whatever input I have provided here, I will directly provide in the pom.xml itself. So I will copy this. Okay, and here I will provide this name. Okay, so I am going to directly run my XML file through this pom.xml file. So multiple XML files, you can create multiple entries here. Okay, so after sanity I want regression, after regression I want coverage. Okay, so this is also will work in the same way. Let me remove this properties tag. I don't want to run in parallel as of now. Let's just see if it works or not. So this time we are directly running from the pom.xml file. So if you run with maven test, okay, so same output we got. First sanity test cases got run, then regression test cases, and then coverage suit XML test cases. So this setting also you can do for the first objective. So I will copy this also. So either you can create an XML separate XML file, add multiple Excel files in that XML file and provide in pom.xml, or instead of that you can directly add multiple XMLs under pom.xml file. Okay, so this is how you need to add under the pom.xml file directly. So that's all for this session, guys. I hope you have understood this concept. You may face questions related to this concept, running multiple XML files simultaneously or in parallel mode in the interviews. So I hope this session will help you to prepare for that, and you can use this concept in your actual framework also. Okay, create multiple XML files, run it one after another. It will save your time. You don't need to monitor the execution for any XML files and then you will go again run the separate one, then after completing that again run the next one. Okay, so all these things should start automatically. Only once you need to run your project, and execution of the multiple XML files should start automatically one after another. So that's all for this session, guys. If you like this content, okay, if you like the session, share it to your friends and help them to learn the automation testing. I'm going to add more videos in Java series and TestNG series, and later we will start our framework designing series. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.